In this video, we're going to take a look at the sample paper and short question 14, which was a household budget question. So you can see here, you've got 2.5 minutes in which to answer this, and it says, complete the following extract from the Quinn household budget for 3 months. So you've got July, August, September, and the total there. So in July, you'll see that you have a net cash of 520 and an opening cash of 375. So your closing cash is your net cash plus your opening cash, which gives you €895. Now, you could have got that without doing that calculation, because hopefully you'll know that your opening cash in one period was your closing cash in the other period. And you could say that here for closing cash in August is going to be the opening cash in September. So 595 goes into September, and then we have the closing cash in September then, €450 plus 595 gives us €1,045. And if we look at the total column, so the total for the period, we have €670 plus €375 gives us a closing cash of 1045. So those two match like they should, and that is super. So that is the sample paper household budget question complete.